So this is our chemistry. Now we are seeing the petroleum refining from crude oil to everyday. Okay, crude oil composition and characteristics in impurities, density and viscosity and hydrocarbons mixed with of hydrogen and carbon varying in size and complexity, including sulfur, nitrogen, metals, and water requiring removal, density and viscosity, properties of various source affecting refining the processes. And our petroleum refining is most important because we are from the crude oil to everyday products. We are use that, and the distillations separating crude oil into fractions. We are separating crude oil from the fraction that are gases, gasoline, diesels, heavy oils. The process is we should heated crude oil vaporize fraction condensed by boiling points. Then after we are cracking and break down the large hydrocarbons, the thermal cracking and the catalyst cracking and hydrocracking. We uses the hydrogen catalyst for cleaner of high quality fuels, tests heat to break down the chain into smaller molecules, and the employ catalyst to increase yield of valuable lighting products. And next one is the reforming of improving a gasoline quality. The convert low octane hydrocarbons, increase octane rating, products hydrogen gases like used in other refrigerative process like hydrocarbon and treating, increasing octane rating like enhances combusting efficiency and reduces engine knocking, convert low octane hydrocarbons, transfer naphthalene and parameter into aromatic and sulfurances. Now we see the treating of removing impurities. Is shown here diagram. We should in three ways. Sweetening means the conveyor sulfur compounds to less odorless forms. Second one is the desalting, remove salts and mud to protect equipment, and hydrotreating means eliminate sulfur and nitrogen compound via hydrogen treatment, as shown here a diagram. And next one is a blending, creating finished product. We should in three ways we should creating the finished product in additives, quality control, mix components like combine various fractions to meet product species, addition additive in add additives, incorporated detergents, anti-knock agents and stabilizers in quality control with the bent to show the performance and regular compliance. And the next one is the future of petrol and refining. Advanced catalysts, carbon capture, digitalization, biorefining. In biorefining, integrable renewable feedstock for sustainable fuels, and digitalization, use of AI automation to optimize operations. Carbon capture, minimize greenhouse gases from refining processes, advanced catalysts, improve efficiency and reduce emissions like that. We show the petrol and refining process diagram. The diagram summarizes key refining steps from crude oil to finished product, highlighting separation, convergence, treating and blending status. Here we can see the petrol and refining process diagram in here, but we can see the in the examination we draw like that diagram. I will show you. Like this format we can draw the petrol and refining diagram. We are first here enter the crude oil between the steams, and we passes in the furnaces. We can add here in the bottom we can add here steam to flow here from here, and then we should draw the outlet from the heavy oils. And this type of we call this type of is called loose cap and top down. In top down here showing, and the upper part is the very thin layer that we can that can pass by air easily. The thin layer is called chimney, and here are trains shown here, and outer wall there, there form the gases and the petroleum ether first. Here are the 1 2 4, here are the 7 trays. We can see in last tray, in more temperature he started from 400 degrees Celsius, and highest temperature we can from the out from here lubricating oil, then from the diesel oil, then kerosene, then naphtha, then gasoline, then petrol ethers. We can see like that. From here first the crude oil goes from here steam to first way, because they are having the low temperature, therefore they going up and up, and they are having the high temperature. They can go from the heavy oils. We can see the gasoline process flow. We can draw like that format diagram in the examination. Thank you.